Welcome, aspiring mixologist or mocktail enthusiast, to my mixology channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon to be always updated. Today, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gwen, and I'm a culinary student under a BS degree. I am also a certified mixologist, specializing in non-alcoholic beverages. Yes, you heard it, because my F&B course intended to give and teach us a curriculum about virgin cocktails and mocktails. Additionally, being a Christian also counts that too. I started in this unique hobby last 2022, when drinks are becoming more sophisticated in the hospitality industry. And at the same time, I am adventurous when it comes to food or beverage. And it sparked more of my interest when Drink Masters came into Netflix. Absolutely loved it. Today, I would like to feature my first recipe, Garnet'S Showdown. Here are the ingredients to make your own first mocktail, Garnet'S Showdown, and how to make a mocktail if you don't have your own bar equipments or set of bar tools. You need to invest that in order to make this drink. Next, if you want the full recipe, it is located in the description down below, down the video. The following ingredients that you need are fresh strawberries, strawberry puree from the fresh strawberries, cucumber slices, orange zest, lemon juice or lime juice, and then that beautiful high quality hibiscus tea. That tea gives that flavor and like the umami for the drink. And never forget sugar or sugar syrup to make it sweet. It depends on your liking. Our first step is making or brewing our tea by applying hot water to it. So it really depends what type of tea do you like, tea bags or dried flower tea, where it really originates from there. Yes, from the flowers. And what you have seen here is an hibiscus flower that I bought it from Hong Kong. It gives more high quality in taste, color, and flavor. After applying hot water into your tea bags or tea flowers, let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes so that it releases its full flavor and essence. If not, it will not happen in that way. So that is how you brew tea. Set aside the tea, and while waiting, let's use our Boston or cobbler shaker and add all the ingredients that is needed for this recipe. Time to add the cucumber slices. Next are slices of strawberries. Next are sliced oranges. Next is lemon juice. If you don't have, then add lime juice or calamansi juice or kaffir lime citrus or yuzu. Make it your own style. Next is orange zest. As I've mentioned, it could be any citrus as long as it is very flavorful. Then pour in our strawberry puree. So fruity! Next step is to pound the ingredients by using our muddler to release that essence of oils, flavors, and aromas. Delicious! To sweeten and balance the sourness of the citrus fruits, we add sugar. I don't recommend honey because when I try to use it in all of the drinks, it doesn't really partner well with its flavor. Buy French vanilla syrup that is intended only for beverages, not the one that you always see in the baking store. Buy the one that is for drink purposes only. You can see how my French vanilla syrup looks different from the one that you always see in the baking store. To combine all our flavors together, let's ready to shake this cobbler shaker or Boston shaker right now. Woohoo! My favorite part in mixology, assembling and garnishing the drinks. So let's do this right now. Let's add lemon curd on the bottom to give that separate color and zesty lemony flavor. How can you enjoy mocktails, virgin cocktails, juices, or iced teas without using ice, right? Now, let's strain and add the mocktail juice. After adding the mocktail extract and juices, we will add fruits to showcase that we really use fresh fruits, not powdered or dried. The next step is to add our cold and room temperature hibiscus tea. Next is to add more fresh slices of strawberries on top to really showcase that we use strawberries. Next, we will cut a little bit of insertions in the orange slices so that we can garnish the drinks on top. Add more ice to heighten up the level of liquid from the drink. Then let's garnish our orange slices on top. Add more strawberry puree to fill up the drink. I present to you my own mocktail, Garnet'S Showdown. And let's turn up the music, guys!